point of order,
Mr.
Congressman
Chairman, the
Fernandez.
good gentleman is not under investigation in this committee, and we are investigating other matter. If you wanted to be investigating
Mr. Chair,
that matter, I think,
I
Mr. Chairman,
still
this is not
have
the
the
right
floor,
point of
Mr.
order is
Chair.
proper.
I still have the floor, Mr.
what is the
Marcoleta.
point of
I'm still-
order?
the point
Congressman
of order.
Marcoleta, please wait to be
Mr.
recognized.
Chair.
1 minute
Pwede
suspension
mo
to
bang
give
pigilan
the
ng isang nagsasalita?
Mr. Chair, while you are suspended, may we respectfully request that all the employees of the Office of the Vice President sit together so that we can easily confer with each other, because the other employees are quite few seats away from us. So we want to sit together so that we can confer easily with each other. Please, thank you.
May I proceed, Mr. Chair?
Committee hearing resumes.
Mr. Chair,
May I continue, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair,
The point of
Congressman
order.
Apop is recognized.
with the indulgence of the Honorable Marcoleta, Mr. Chair, I think we might as well agree to disagree with one another here bago po tayo magpatuloy. Di po ba?
Yes, I agree, Congressman Apop.
So, we follow our rules. The Honorable Marcoleta is a member of this Congress, so he knows the rules and he is obligated to follow the rules. Otherwise, he'll be declared out of order and be taken out of this room. So, for all of us, members of Congress, let's follow the House rules. That's why they are there, for orderly proceedings. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Apop. We will now proceed to the next item in our agenda. Wala na po
Mr.
tayong...
Chair, respectfully, may I say something?
Yes, Honorable.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
Honorable Vice
Mr. Chair?
President, before I recognize you, would you like to take your oath?
Yeah.
I
Mr.
will only
Chair.
recognize you if you will take your oath.
Okay,
Okay.
let's do this.
Please administer the oath of the Honorable Vice President.
Your Honor, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this inquiry, so help you God? The oath has been administered, Your Honors.
Thank you. I will recognize you now,
Okay.
Honorable Vice President.
Yes. Mr. Chair, the position of Undersecretary and Assistant Secretaries and other appointed positions are positions of trust and confidence by the appointing authority. The resignation letters of the USEX and the ASEX of DepEd were accepted by the appointing authority. And who is that? Mr. Chair? The President of the Republic of the Philippines. It is not the Secretary of the Department of Education. So you ask the President of the Republic of the Philippines why he accepted the resignation of the USEX and the ASEX.
What is the point, Honorable Vice President?
Ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, bakit nyo kine-question ang due process? Tanungin nyo ang appointing authority, bakit niya tinanggap ang resignation letter?
Madam Vice President,
Yes, sir.
we will wala pa po tayo dun sa usapin na yun.
Sa anong usapin,
Later po sa binabanggit po ninyo.
Sa anong
Wala pa po tayo sa period of interpellation. Bubuksan ko pa lamang po ang period of interpellation.
Yes, sir. Nandun na kayo sa topic. Hindi po tayo nag-i-interpellation.
Madam Vice President, nag-uusap po muna ang mga miyembro.
Yes,
So,
sir.
please do respect. Yung
Yes,
mga-
I am very respectful. I am dovetailing from Congressman Marcoleta. The appointing authority is the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Why are you questioning due process in a discussion of resignation of USEX and ASEX?
Wala pa pong nagtatanong about that, Madam Vice President.
Sir, kinontempt nyo
Madam-
na, sir, dinetain nyo na yung tao for due process.
Madam Vice President,
Sir, nasa loob ng detention ang tao because you questioned due process. Asaan ang explanation ng due process ninyo doon? Nasaan?
Madam Vice
Tinanong
President,
kita kanina. I'm sorry, sir. Tinanong kita kanina, sino ang appointing authority? USEC ng ASEC. Anong sagot mo? Secretary. Hindi mo alam.
Hindi pa po ako nagsumasagot.
Hindi mo. Nakita kita, sumagot. Camera. Kita kita sumagot. Sinabi mo,
Chairman,
Secretary.
motion to
Hindi
suspend.
niyo alam lahat
One
na
minute,
ang
President.
nag-a-appoint
One
ay
minute
President.
suspension is declared by the chair.
Can we observe proper decorum, Mr. Chairman? Kalma lang.
Mr. Chair, respectfully, the personnel of the Office of the Vice President want to sit with me. Yes. Sir.
Alright. Grabe na yung panggugulo nila, no? Yun ang ginawa naman nila. Si Sara na nagsimula na ng panggugulo ngayon dito sa pagdinig. Kanina si Marcoleta, biro-biro ko pa nga dahil ito pa isang lokaret lumapit na. Ayan. Nasaan po yung aking hopya, Your Honor? Marcoleta lumapit kanina, naghahanap po ng ng hopyang baboy. Kasi hindi siya nabigyan ng hopyang munggo. Hopyang munggo binigay sa kanya. Ayaw niya nun, hopyang baboy ata gusto. Naalala ko lang kasi na content ito ni Joe Philippines.
Mr. Chair.
Naguguluhin
May
ni Marcoleta ang
Madam
hearing.
Vice President.
At gayon din sa rally kagabi, nabanggit po sa rally dyan sa
You asked
dyan sa
the
hospital,
President why he
DMMC.
accepted the resignation. Do not ask
Na
due process.
kumanda sila, yung hearing na yan sa tatay niya. Ayon po yan sa anak ni Marcoleta.
Congressman ako.
Mr. Chair,
At ito na nga ho.
Madam
Dudugtungin
Vice
ko nga mamaya yung dalawang
If you
video
have
na yan.
any questions
Na sinabi ng anak
as far
niya
as the actions
at
of
saka
the
kung
committee
ginagawa ngayon ni
are concerned,
Marcoleta.
I think the proper remedy is for you to go to the court.
Sir, I will go to court.
Opo, pero
Oo,
that is
pero
where-
araw-araw, you are depriving a person of her liberty while I await.
that is precisely the point, ma'am.
the-
If our action of detaining your chief of staff is against the law, I think the proper remedy, and I think you're a lawyer,
Yes, sir.
the proper remedy is to go to the court.
Sir, do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Nanonood ka? Bastos talaga ang
sinasabi ko
diputa.
lang po sundin
Oo.
po natin yung batas.
Kaya
dito
nga,
sa
sir,
House.
sundin natin yung
Kasi
batas.
nandito po kayo dito sa bahay ng Kongreso.
Yes, sir. Sundin natin yung batas. Why will you penalize, punish Yusek Lopez for an act of the President?
Madam Vice President,
Bumrahin
that
niya mamaya.
is the that is the
Nakaplano na
decision
lahat
of
yan.
the
Tapos
committee
diretso
as a
rally.
whole. Sana po respetuhin po ninyo.
Congressman
Yes, sir.
yan,
Kung meron
bumurahin
pong
ko.
Okay.
remedy, alam naman po
Hindi naman ako
bilang
makukulong,
abogado na tama po yung sinasabi
Bumurahin ko na
ni
yung Sara
Congressman
dyan.
Nakop, pwede po tayong mag-file ng relief sa
Okay,
court.
sige sir. Tinutulungan ko lang kayo, sir. Kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas.
Oh.
Ganito ba? ang House of Representatives.
Oh,
Tinutulungan ko lang kayo.
Oo,
Maraming
nananakot.
salamat po, Madam
Nananakot
Vice
na.
President.
With all due respect,
Yes,
Mr. Chair,
Congressman
I move that we
Deputy
strike
Speaker.
Out, I
No,
move
do
that
not
we
strike.
out the
Don't
last
strike
comment
anything.
said about the House
It's
of
cowardice.
Representatives. I don't think that is warranted. Neither is it fair to make statements such as that. So move, Mr. Chair.
Huwag nyo nang
Second.
shift.
Is there any objection?
Disagree.
Hearing none, the motion is carried.
And Mr. Chairman,
Yes,
may
Congressman
we
Dan
remind
Paduano.
Babangon niyo pa yung
Justice
pangalan.
to address the chairman kasi nakakawala po ng respeto sa committee na
Bastos
to
naman
kung hindi
talaga,
po natin
Dan,
i-address ang chairman. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. We will now continue to the next item in our
Grabe, sobra
agenda.
na to. May
We will now proceed to the interpellation proper. The first to interpolate
Si Sara na,
is
sagutin
the
niyo kasi
Honorable Congressman Ako.
Direct ano nyo yung tanong lahat kay Sara.